Chapter 1: The Discovery. It was a damp and misty morning when Emma stumbled upon the forgotten diary. She was exploring the attic of her ancestral home, a place she had always found mysterious and intriguing. Among the dusty boxes and forgotten relics, she found an old, leather-bound book tucked away in a corner. Curiosity piqued, she brushed off the dust and opened it. Inside, she found the faded pages filled with elegant handwriting, each word seeming to whisper secrets from the past. Chapter 2: The Mystery Unfolds. As Emma began to read, she was drawn into the world of the diary's author, a young woman named Charlotte. Charlotte's words painted a vivid picture of life in the early 1900s, of love and loss, of dreams and disappointments. But as Emma delved deeper, she realized there was more to the diary than met the eye. Hidden within its pages were clues to a long-forgotten mystery, a mystery that had remained unsolved for decades. Chapter 3: The Quest Begins. Determined to uncover the truth, Emma embarked on a quest to unravel the mystery of the forgotten diary. With each passing day, she found herself consumed by the story of Charlotte and the secrets she had left behind. She scoured old archives and dusty libraries, piecing together fragments of the past in her search for answers. Chapter 4: The Trail of Clues. The trail of clues led Emma to unexpected places, from forgotten estates to hidden passageways. Along the way, she encountered a cast of characters, each with their own secrets and motivations. But as she got closer to the truth, she also attracted the attention of those who would stop at nothing to keep the past buried. Chapter 5: The Revelation. Finally, after months of tireless searching, Emma uncovered the truth behind the forgotten diary. It was a truth that sent shockwaves through her family's history, revealing long-buried secrets and betrayals. But it was also a truth that brought closure, allowing Charlotte's story to finally be told. Chapter 6: The Legacy. As Emma closed the diary for the final time, she felt a sense of peace wash over her. Though the mystery had been solved, the legacy of Charlotte and her diary would live on. It was a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there is always hope, and that the power of love and friendship can transcend even the greatest of obstacles. And so, as she placed the diary back where she had found it, Emma knew that its story was far from over. For as long as there were those willing to listen, the tale of the forgotten diary would continue to inspire and captivate all who dared to seek its secrets. Chapter 7: Unraveling the Past. With the revelation of the diary's secrets, Emma felt a newfound sense of purpose. She was determined to uncover every detail of Charlotte's life, to understand the circumstances that led to the diary being hidden away in the attic for so many years. Emma delved deeper into her family's history, poring over old photographs and documents, searching for any mention of Charlotte or her family. She visited local historians and genealogists, piecing together the puzzle of Charlotte's life bit by bit. Chapter 8: The Family Secrets. As Emma dug deeper, she uncovered long-buried family secrets that shed new light on Charlotte's story. She discovered that Charlotte had been disowned by her family for falling in love with a man from a lower social class, a scandal that had rocked the family to its core. Emma's own grandmother, it turned out, had been Charlotte's niece, and she had been the one to hide the diary away in the attic, fearing that its contents would bring shame upon the family. Chapter 9: A Journey into the Past. Armed with this newfound knowledge, Emma set out on a journey to trace Charlotte's footsteps, traveling to the places she had lived and loved. From the bustling streets of London to the quiet countryside of Devonshire, Emma followed in Charlotte's footsteps, immersing herself in the world of the past. Along the way, she met people who had known Charlotte, who shared their memories and stories of the spirited young woman who had captured their hearts. Chapter 10: The Final Revelation. Finally, after months of research and exploration, Emma uncovered the final piece of the puzzle. In a dusty archive in a small village church, she stumbled upon a long-forgotten letter written by Charlotte herself, addressed to her beloved, the man she had been forbidden to marry. In the letter, Charlotte poured out her heart, expressing her love and longing for the man she could never have. It was a poignant reminder of the sacrifices Charlotte had made for love, and of the enduring power of the human spirit. Chapter 11: Closure and Resolution. As Emma read the letter, tears filled her eyes. She felt a deep connection to Charlotte, a kindred spirit bound by the threads of time. And as she stood in the quiet church, surrounded by the echoes of the past, she knew that she had finally found the closure she had been searching for. With the mystery of the forgotten diary finally solved, Emma returned home, her heart full of gratitude for the journey it had taken her on. She placed the diary in a special place of honor, where it would serve as a reminder of the resilience of the human spirit and the enduring power of love. And as she looked out at the world beyond her ancestral home, Emma knew that the adventure was only just beginning. For the story of Charlotte and her forgotten diary would live on, inspiring generations to come with its tale of love, loss, and redemption,